Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So week 5 is a big week. The annotated bibliography is due on Tuesday the 9th. I've already been working with several students about their annotated bibliography. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Time is short. One thing I do want to emphasize this week is the annotated bibliography and its sources, along with the information in the annotations, will provide the basis for your activity for exercises and assignments for the rest of the semester, leading up and into the final research essay. So I just want to say it one more time that this is one focused research project. So the topic you proposed in the proposal, the annotated bibliography, is about that particular topic. And then we're going to move on and keep that topic through the end of the course to the research essay. That being said, let's take a quick look over at discussion board 8. Discussion board 8, which is due on Friday with the responses on Sunday. Basically is where you look at using these sources from your annotated bibliography to build a double entry journal. This is described on pages 97 and 103 in the textbook. Take two of your sources, and I'm looking for 3 excerpts, whether it's a quote, a paraphrase, or a summary, in the right-hand side, and then your commentary on the left. I should say other way around. Your commentary is on the right. Your quote, paraphrase, or summary should be on the left, as it says in the instructions here. Also, I have attached a template. If you want to use a template here, it's a Google Doc link. They'll give you an idea of what the double entry should look like. It should copy and paste into the discussion board text box, citation, quote, paraphrase, summary, and then your commentary. This is writing in the middle, which is all about chapter 3. So this is discussion board 8 that is due on Friday. So if you complete the annotated bibliography, upload that. Let me get to assignment uploads. Here you see annotated bibliography. I want a upload of a Word document or PDF. So if you're working in Google Docs or whatever format you are working in, a Word document, you just upload the document to the assignment here. So be sure you attach and upload a document. All right. Because I do not want any Google Doc links submitted for this particular assignment. Right? This is for the annotated bibliography. Let me cancel this in the assignment uploads. Let me return to the announcements. Here we go. So that upload is due on Tuesday, end of day. Double entry on Friday, responses on Sunday. Then we're going to move into more work on Chapter 3, hopefully in Chapter 4, beginning to draft the research essay. This is week 5. We only have 8 in the course, so you want to be sure not to fall too far behind. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.